5th of January 2025 at approximately 3:15 a major microburst weather event occurred. High winds basically buckled this crane over, and as you can see it's actually on a lean. You can see here correctly it's leaning over. It is not horizontal anymore. So we've got two cranes set up that will pull it apart one by one. Now if you stay at this camping ground, you are directly below it, so I would not recommend staying there with this crane now causing issues. And as a result, consequence of that, this side road here has been closed off because this vehicle, this crane truck, has to set up residence here. If you are staying in this apartment tower, you are unable to leave or enter because the car park road is closed. Nobody can enter, nobody can exit. Holiday planes are ruined. You can probably see the leaning here a bit clearer. Whilst people still holiday in their camping ground directly below it. As you can see, the two cranes blocking the road exit entry point for the apartment tower block, and this will eventually rise up. Unable to walk along the footpath, police have closed the footpath and the bridge for walking. People enjoying the sunshine, warm day, trying to catch some fish. Whilst the residents in this apartment tower remain. The major road stays open. Of course, the major incident is cleaned up. We're now facing southward. As you can see, on an angle there. People are still fishing, enjoying themselves. For safety, this has been closed.